Your muscles have the incredible ability to make your body move in amazing ways. They enable you to walk, run, jump, dance, and even breathe. But have you ever stopped to think about how your muscles actually make your body move? What is happening inside your muscles when you flex them? And what is the science behind all this action? Well, let's take a closer look at the fascinating world of muscles and movement. Number 2, muscles and joints. First, let's talk about how muscles work with your body's joints to produce movement. Your muscles are attached to your bones by tendons, which are strong, tough bands of connective tissue. When your muscles contract or shorten, they pull on the tendons, which in turn pull on the bones, causing them to move. This is known as the skeletal muscle system. The type of joint that allows for this type of movement is called a synovial joint. These are the most common type of joints in your body, and they are found in your shoulders, elbows, wrists, hips, knees, and ankles. Synovial joints are made up of several different parts, including the articular cartilage, which covers the ends of the bones and provides a smooth surface for the bones to move against each other. The joint cavity, which is the space between the two bones, and the synovial fluid, which lubricates the joint and helps the bones move smoothly. Ligaments, which are tough bands of connective tissue that hold the bones together. When your muscles contract, they pull on the tendons, which then pull on the ligaments, causing the bones to move. For example, when you lift your arm, your muscles contract, pulling on the tendons, which then pull on the ligaments connecting your shoulder blade and your arm bone, causing your arm to move up. Know 3 types of muscle contractions. There are 2 types of muscle contractions, concentric and eccentric. A concentric contraction occurs when a muscle contracts and shortens while generating force. For example, when you lift a weight up towards your shoulder, your muscles are contracting concentrically. On the other hand, an eccentric contraction occurs when a muscle contracts but lengthens while doing so. It is important to note that eccentric contractions often lead to more muscle damage and soreness than concentric contractions. This is because the muscle is being forced to work against gravity while it is lengthening, which puts a lot of stress on the muscle fibers. That's why it can be more challenging to lower a weight than to lift it up. Know 4 muscle fatigue. You might be wondering what happens when your muscles get tired. Well, when you exercise, your muscles use up their stored energy and start to produce waste products like lactic acid. This buildup of waste products causes your muscles to become fatigued, and eventually they may even start to cramp. However, it's important to note that fatigue is not caused by a buildup of lactic acid, but rather a decline in your body's ability to deliver energy to your muscles. Lactic acid does play a role in muscle fatigue, but it's more of a byproduct than a direct cause. Know 5 muscle recovery. After you exercise, your body goes through a recovery process to repair any damage that has occurred to your muscles and to replenish their energy stores. During this time, it's important to eat a healthy diet and get enough rest to help your muscles recover. It is also a good idea to stretch and do some light cardio to increase blood flow to your muscles and help remove waste products. In general, it takes about 48 hours for your muscles to fully recover from a workout. However, this can vary depending on the intensity and duration of your exercise routine. Number 6, muscle growth. If you want to build muscle, you need to challenge your muscles with weights or other forms of resistance training. This type of training creates small tears in the muscle fibers, which your body repairs and rebuilds stronger than before. It is also important to eat a diet that is rich in protein to provide the amino acids necessary for muscle growth. Remember, muscle growth is a slow process that takes time and consistency. Don't expect to see results overnight, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your muscle building goals. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating world of muscles and movement. From the microscopic level of muscle fibers to the macroscopic level of whole body movement, there is a lot to be amazed about. So keep flexing those muscles and keep moving. And don't forget to stay tuned for more videos.